So what is the index? So it's a system of purpose measurement designed over several years with researchers at the University of Cambridge. And what it does is answers the big question that we've been struggling with for years really, which is, can you measure purpose, organizational purpose? Can you measure its impact on real people, on their happiness, their fulfillment, but also on organizations itself? You know, is the organization more productive, more effective, commercially more successful, if you like, as a result of being purposeful? Because we know what a great organization looks like. We know a great organization has people within it who are engaged, aligned, cultures that are open, creative, and also compassionate. And we know that it has leadership management that's decisive and also adaptable. So we kind of know what an organization, a great organization looks like. The key question is, can you show how purpose is creating that greatness, if you like? So what we need to understand, working with the research partners at Cambridge, is to what extent is purpose driving performance? So obviously what we do is we measure those output behaviors, and they've been measured by academics for years. So we bring together a group of academics from around the world, put their scales, their measurement systems into one common model, which is a questionnaire. We ask employees how they feel and how they're behaving. So we understand organizational performance. We also ask employees their attitude towards purpose. But what we're really interested in is, how is purpose changing those beliefs and those behaviors? So we need to understand a set of cultural attributes in the organization, and it's the interplay between those cultural attributes that we're measuring. Now it sounds really complex, but actually what it creates is something quite simple. So what it creates is a simple measure of purpose efficacy, purpose performance in an organization. But more importantly than that, it creates a report of insights and recommendations, of analysis, both from ourselves and Judge Business School at Cambridge, that helps organizations understand, so how is purpose changing my company? What are the source issues that create impact? And the key thing then is companies can then look at those source issues and not at purpose itself. And by doing that, they can then have very targeted interventions, very targeted projects to activate purpose in the organization, to create more happiness, more fulfillment, but actually more productivity of the organization itself.